Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 10 August 2018, 18 of hour, 38 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what is it called when you can stand the sound of someone eating? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what is it called when you can stand the sound of someone eating. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what is it called when you can stand the sound of someone eating. For people with a condition that some scientists call misophonia, mealtime can be torture. The sounds of other people eating, chewing, chomping, slurping, gurgling can send them into an instantaneous, blood-boiling rage. Or as Ada Saganoff put it, rage, panic, fear, terror and anger, all mixed together. Last update September 5, 2011. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.